Hi, sometimes you have the problem that you have to turn a fan cake so that the shooting begins in the other direction. In the next minutes I show you how to do that.
Sometime you may use some effects that are called single rows. This is a special kind of a cake, that is very often a fanned cake that is shot from one side to the other. If you use that kind of cake, you maybe need to turn it when it is shooting left to right, but you need quite the opposite, a right to left shot order. To do this in Finale, please select the effect you want to turn. Then make a right mouse click to open the context menu. From here click the Properties entry. In the dialog you need to specify the pan value. Enter a value of 180 here and press enter. Now play the show again, and you will see that the shooting begins in the other direction. To be sure that your crew is aware of that, please make a note in the script field.